Welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. We are in chapter 2, that is Basic Computer Organization, and today's topic is Input Units and its functions, Output Units and its functions. Topic 1, Input Unit and its function. Point number 1, data and instructions must be entered into a computer's memory before any computation can be performed on the data. Students, you very well know computer is a device which accepts data and set of instruction as input, stores them, processes the given data as per the set of instructions and gives result which we will call as output. Hence, to process the data must be available into the computer. Also, the instructions should be available into the computer. So, data and instruction must be entered into a computer's memory before any computation can be performed on the data. Point number 2. Input unit links computer with its external environment and performs this task. So, input units allows you to enter data and instructions into the computer. Point number 3. Data and instructions are entered into a computer through an input unit in the form that depends upon the input device used. Keyboard and scanners are most popular input device. Students, you know there are very many input devices. Popular is keyboard and as well as scanner. So you can enter the input with the help of keyboard in form of alphabets and numbers, or whenever there is a document, you can use a scanner to scan the contents of the documents. So keyboard and scanner are popular input devices. Keyboard is used to enter alphabets, numbers, and scanner is used to enter scanned documents. Point number 6. As computer's memory accepts only binary code, hence all input devices must be transformed into a binary code. Students, you very well know computer is an electronic device. It understands only zeros and one. Okay, so it is the information should be in the coded form. Hence, whatever input is there, it should be entered or transformed into a binary code. Point number 7. Units called input interfaces convert data and instructions received into a binary code. So students, the job of input interface is to convert the available information into binary code. Point number 8. Input interfaces match the unique physical or electrical characteristics of input devices to the requirements of computer system. So it is job of the input interface to match the physical and electrical characteristics of input device and the computer system. So functions performed by input unit. Students, we have already considered this, okay, when we consider the block diagram of computer, but again today we will consider it as independent topic. Input unit performs following functions. Point number 1. It accepts or reads instructions and data from outside world. Point number 2. It converts these instructions and data in computer acceptable form. Units called input interfaces accomplishes this task. Students, you are very well aware that the job of the input unit is to read the instruction and data into the computer. Computer doesn't understand human alphabets and numbers. It only understands binary code. So information entered into computer should be converted into a binary code. Okay, and input interfaces converts this. It supplies, point number 3, it supplies the converted instructions and data to the storage unit for storage and further processing. So whatever data is input or instructions are input, it are passed on to storage unit for storage, and whenever it is available for processing. Now we'll go to next topic, that is output units and its functions. This topic has also been covered earlier. Output units, point number 1, supplies information obtained from data processing to the outside world. So you know, students, the job of output unit is just opposite of the input unit. That is, as input unit, okay, supplies the information from external world into a computer system. The output unit accepts the information from computer system and supplies it to outside world. Hence, point number 2, it links computer with the external environment. Point number 3, as computer works with binary code, results produced are also in the binary form. Therefore, before supplying the results to outside world, the system must convert them to a human acceptable or understandable form. Students, you very well know computer is an electronic device. It accepts only binary or coded information. Even the output is available in the coded information. But since the human being cannot understand this binary code, it must be converted into a human understandable form, and the job of output device is the same. Units called output interfaces accomplishes this task. So conversion of binary coded information into and human readable form is performed by output interfaces. Output interface match the unique physical or electrical characteristics of output device, such as terminals, that is the screens, and printers, etc., to the requirements of external environment. Students, so there, as computer is an electronics device, it has got physical and electrical characteristics. So it is the job of the output interface to match the unique physical and electrical characteristics of the output device, okay, and make the information available to the outside world. Functions performed by output unit. Output unit performs following functions. It accepts the produced results which are in coded form. As human being cannot understand coded results, output unit converts the coded information into human understandable form. Student, job of the output unit is to take the results from the computer system and make it available to the people in their own understandable form. Units called output interfaces accomplishes this task. It supplies, third point, it supplies converted results to outside world. Students, today we have learned the topic input unit and its functions, and also output units and its functions. So we are in chapter 2, that is basic organization of computer system. We have understood the functions of computer system. Then we have studied the basic block diagram of digital computer, that is in form of basic organization of computer system. And today we have studied the topic input units and its functions and output units and its functions. Please write this in your notebook and study well. If you got anything, you can give me a call in the evening. Thank you.